Write a polar equation using the graph below. This is what I'm looking at. And what this looks like is a rose. Now, I did a video a couple problems ago where I had a rose. And the equation looked something like R equals some amplitude cos some number times theta. What we learned is when I had an odd number in front of theta, I had that many petals. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 petals. This is an even number. So when I had an even number, I had 2 times that many petals. This has 8 petals. So if I were to take a number and multiply it to 2 to get 8, that means my n would be 4. So this is going to be 4 theta. Okay. Now, fun fact here. I said cosine. Sine is also an option. If you're wondering, is this sine or is this cosine and how do I figure it out? Well, if this was a cosine, cosine would always start out on the x-axis. This doesn't start out on the x-axis. This starts somewhere up here, which means this isn't cosine. This is sine. Tricky, 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 tricky. Now, I have to find the amplitude. That's the easy part. The amplitude is the maximum value that these petals stretch out to. These all stretch out to 3, which means the number in front of sine is also going to be 3. So the equation for this polar graph here is going to be R equals 3 sine 4 theta. Isn't that nice?